angelfish. A for angelfish. Angelfish are known for their bright, beautiful colors and love living in coral reefs.
B is for blue whale. What a giant sight.
B blue whale. B for blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, as long as 2 school buses.
C is for clownfish hiding in their hole.
C clownfish. C for clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones, which protect them like a cozy home.
D is for dolphin who loves to roam.
D dolphin. D for dolphin. Dolphins are super smart and love to play by jumping out of the water.
Ocean animals from A to Z. Come and learn the alphabet with me. Dive into the water, let's explore. So many creatures and so much more. E is for eel in the coral it hides.
Eel. E for eel. Eels look like underwater snakes and can hide in tiny cracks in rocks.
F is for flying fish gliding far and wide.
F flying fish. F for flying fish. Flying fish can leap out of the water and glide through the air.
G is for giant squid with tentacles so long.
G giant squid. G for giant squid. Giant squids have huge eyes, as big as dinner plates, to see in a deep ocean.
H is for hammerhead, big and strong.
H hammerhead shark. H for hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have wide, hammer-shaped heads to help them find food.
I is for ice fish in the cold it stays.
I ice fish. I for ice fish. Ice fish live in freezing Antarctic waters and have special antifreeze in their blood.
J is for jellyfish glowing in the waves.
J jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have a brain or heart, but they can glow in the dark.
K is for killer whale, a mighty swimmer.
K killer whale, orca. K for killer whale. Killer whales are fast swimmers and love hunting in groups called pods.
L is for lobster with claws that shimmer.
L lobster. L for lobster. Lobsters can live for a really long time and grow back lost claws.
Ocean animals from A to Z. Come and learn the alphabet with me. Dive into the water, let's explore. So many creatures and so much more. M is for manatee munching on the green.
Manatee. M for manatee. Manatees are gentle giants that love munching on seagrass all day.
N is for nautilus, a spiral like sea.
Nautilus. N for nautilus. Nautiluses are ancient animals with spiral shells that help them float.
O is for octopus, so clever and sly.
Octopus. O for octopus. Octopuses are super smart and can change color to hide from predators.
P is for pufferfish who puffs up high.
P pufferfish. P for pufferfish. Pufferfish puff up into a ball to scare away their enemies.
Q is for queen angelfish wearing a crown.
Q queen angelfish. Q for queen angelfish. Queen angelfish have a crown, a bright blue on their heads, like royalty.
R is for ray, gliding all around.
R ray, stingray. R for ray. Rays glide through the water like underwater kites with their wide fins.
S is for seahorse, tiny but grand.
Seahorse. S for seahorse. Seahorses are tiny, and the dads carry the babies in a special pouch.
T is for turtle, crawling on the sand.
T turtle. Sea turtle. T for turtle. Sea turtles can hold their breath underwater for hours when resting.
Ocean animals from A to Z. Come and learn the alphabet with me. Dive into the water, let's explore. So many creatures and so much more. U is for urchin, spiky and small.
U urchin. Sea urchin. U for urchin. Sea urchins are spiky creatures that use their tiny feet to move around.
V is for vampire squid who loves the deep sea hall.
V vampire squid. V for vampire squid. Vampire squids have a spooky name, but they're gentle and love the deep sea.
W is for walrus with tusks so long.
W, walrus.W for walrus. Walruses use their long tusks to pull themselves out of the icy water.
Sisters and Fosher up in here so long.
X, Xephosura, horseshoe crab. X for Xephosura. Horseshoe crabs have been around since the time of dinosaurs.
For yellow tang so bright and sunny.
Y yellow tang. Y for yellow tang. Yellow tangs are bright yellow fish that love to swim in warm, tropical waters.
Z is for zebra shark with stripes so funny.
Z zebra shark. Z for the zebra shark. Zebra sharks have spots as adults, but as babies, They have zebra-like stripes.
Is for angelfish, swimming so bright. B is for blue whale, what a giant sight. C is for clownfish, hiding in their home. D is for dolphin, who loves to roam. Ocean animals from A to Z. Come and learn the alphabet with me. Dive into the water, let's explore. So many creatures and so much more. E is for eel, in the coral it hides. F is for flying fish, gliding far and wide. G is for giant squid with tentacles so long. H is for hammerhead, big and strong. I is for ice fish, in the cold it stays. J is for jellyfish, glowing in the waves. K is for killer whale, a mighty swimmer. L is for lobster with claws that shimmer. Ocean animals from A to Z. Come and learn the alphabet with me. Dive into the water, let's explore. So many creatures and so much more. M is for manatee, munching on the green. N is for nautilus, a spiral-like scene. O is for octopus, so clever and sly. P is for pufferfish, who puffs up high. Q is for queen angelfish, wearing a crown. R is for ray, gliding all around. S is for seahorse, tiny but grand. T is for turtle, crawling on the sand. Ocean animals from A to Z. Come and learn the alphabet with me. Dive into the water, let's explore. So many creatures and so much more. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vampire squid, who loves the deep sea haul. W is for walrus with tusks so long. Sisters and Fosh are up in here so long. Is for yellow tide so bright and sunny. Z is for zebra shark with stripes so